significant things we can think about when we think about Apollo is that for us being the world, a challenge of the future. The door is now cracked, but the promise of that future lies in the young people, not just in America, but the young people all over the world. This is what we all are striving for in the future. And as we leave the moon in tourist literal, we leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return, with peace and hope for all mankind. Godspeed the crew of Apollo 17.
The history of humanity is one of exploration and discovery. For thousands of years, we have pushed the boundaries of the known world. We propose a mission to establish the basis for the first off-world human colonization. The site for this mission would be the Shackleton Crater, a 21-kilometer wide hollow on the south pole of the Moon. This vast crater has been dark for millions of years, the absence of sunlight leaving it frozen and inhospitable. However, solar arrays positioned around the rim of the crater will reflect sunlight into the base, providing the warmth and power to allow a colony to flourish. Sustained by the reflected light, the rover can now seek out ice deposits below the surface, while future landers can arrive safely within the crater. Loose regolith and debris blasted from underneath the lander can shred the machines. The surface around the colony will be flattened into landing pads to minimize the danger. Meanwhile, ice and regolith will be mined to provide raw resources for the base. Using only elements found on the Moon, we can fabricate the essential components for sustaining human life. The ISRU module processes the material mined from the Moon into oxygen and hydrogen, providing the colonists with a reliable source of breathable air and water. Rocket fuel, allowing the colony to be used as an off-world fueling station for future missions, dramatically increasing humanity's ability to explore the solar system. 3D print medium, which will allow buildings to be constructed without relying on resources from Earth. Solar tiles, which will be placed around the rim of the crater to provide energy, while heat-resistant tiles will cover roads and landing pads to further increase protection from dust. The arrival of the first greenhouse will make it possible to successfully sustain plant life, an astounding achievement for mankind. After the soft layer has inflated, a thick shell will be printed over it. Living pods and more greenhouse modules are added as the base begins to grow in preparation for the first human colonists, setting foot on the Moon for the first time in nearly 50 years. Establishing a permanent colony on the Moon will mark a massive shift in our approach to space travel and open up a multitude of possibilities for future expeditions.